Hello and welcome to Easy Trick App channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to remove a member from a messenger group. Removing a member from a messenger group can be necessary at a time, especially when person is no longer relevant to the group. Here are steps to remove a person from a messenger group. First, you need to head over to the group that you want a member to be removed, and in here you're going to be clicking on the group title. From here, if you scroll a little bit down, here you have this option to see members. Currently you can see we are 2 members in this particular group and I want to remove one. So I'm going to be clicking on that, and here we have this option to remove from group chat. When I click on this, you'll be able to see that the member is now removed. Once you completed these steps, the member will be removed from the group and they will no longer be able to view the group messages or participate in the chat. And that's it. You've successfully removed a member from your messenger group. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.